This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, in previous class, you have seen how to change permissions of a file, how to change ownership of a file, how to change group of a file, and how to change ownership and group at a time. Also, those things we have seen. And we have seen how to copy files and how to move files and how to use CD command to change from one location to another location in the Linux file system. Okay, now we will see some other commands. So just now I have launched on Mission AWS Cloud. Let me try to connect to this one. This is a fresh mission only. Just now I have taken something. I'm giving name like this. How to connect? You know, right? We can't connect. RP this command. Open the git bash where you are having a PEM file. My PEM file is my downloads. So definitely from downloads only. This is the PEM file of ABCD. Okay, here only I have to open my git bash. Then use that command here. Hit enter. Lost confirmation. I have given confirmation as now I am able to log in. See, now I am which user? EC2 user. You know, right? EC2 user is a non-root user. That means EC2 user is not a admin user. So I can have some restrictions. You know them, right? Okay, let me try to switch to root user. How to switch to root user? Sudo su-. Sudo su-. It is a command. Use it to switch from any user to root user. Now you can see earlier EC2, now it is EC2 root user. Anyhow, now already you know, right? In this location, at least you can see these two files. These two are default files. Okay. In order to demonstrate those links concept, right? Yesterday I told, right? I have to explain links. If you hit ls -l command or ls, let me tell you. This one. This is called links, right? Permissions, you know. Owner, you know. Group, you know. Size, date and time, file name. Those things already you know. So how to consider this one now? This is the number of links. Of course, I don't want to change this way because they are default files. I don't want to touch them. Of course, don't touch or don't try to change anything in the default files. If you want to do some practice, you try to create your own files and on them only you try to change. If you want to change, then only how to change. Otherwise, don't. Of course, if you do any mistakes there, our Linux server may not work properly. So that's why don't change anything in these files. Okay. Anyhow, I want to create one file here using cat command. Let me create cat something like file name is Monday. File name something like something I'm writing here. Monday is second day. Monday is second day or first day? It is second day only. Something I'm writing. Okay. I have done something here. Control Z. Keep it aside. Now this is the file I want to consider. So right now, this is a file. How to say this is a file? See, starting there is hyphen, so I can say this is a file. So the permissions, number of links, only one is there right now. Now I want to create a link. How to create a link? The command is lm. Now the concept is link. Command is link command. The command you can use is lm. lm. Of course, there are two types of links actually. There are two types of links. First one is hard link. Second one is soft link. Hard link and soft link. We will see both of them. Before discussing this hard link and soft link, you have to know something about copy also. Already yesterday I had done copyright. If you copy, what will happen? If you create a link, what will happen? We will compare. For that purpose, you know, you should know about CP also. Okay. Before that, we'll see about CP command. CP is copy, right? Copy command. CP. How to copy a file? Command is CP. For CP, you have to give two arguments. For CP, I have to give two arguments. First one is source file path. Source file path. Second argument is target or destination. Target or destination file path. Okay, we'll see now. So, for example, definitely right now I'm at what location? In this location. Now I am at /root. Can anybody help me? What is the command I have to use in order to know what is there under /opt? Right now I want to use one command so that I want to get what is there in /opt. Can anybody help me? What is the command?
cd/opt/sir.
cd opt/. Of course, I don't want to go there. This is also valid command actually.
ll/opt.
Yes. ll/opt. This is a command by using which I can know what is that opt. Of course, normally I can go there. This is the way I will go there. cd/opt. Later, now I'm in opt. You can see earlier I was in root. Now in opt. Let me show you. Okay. Now you can use ls command to display what is there under it. ls or ll, whatever. This is coming two commands, right? First of all, I went there. Later, I have displayed what is there. The single command I can do means I can do single command also. Okay, anyhow, right now in this location. Then how can I go back to /root? How can I go back to /root?
cd ...
Yes. Okay, I will tell that command also. Later, I will go to this one. First of all, let me discuss in detail about cd command also, because I think I have only at high level I told about cd. Now let me discuss about cd command. cd means change directory. Later we will see. Change directory command is cd. How to use cd command also I will tell you. There are different purposes of the cd command. If you use normal cd command, simple cd, simple, the command is cd, that's it. If you use cd command, right now, even though you are at any position, At that point of time, if you are at any position of the Linux file system, you can go to your home path. Wherever you are at, you can go to your home location. Your home location means as a root user home is, let me tell you, root user home, root users home directory. What is root user home directory? / root only. What is EC2 users home directory? EC2 users home directory. /home / EC2 user. Only for root user, the home directory is /root. For any other user, that is like /home followed by that username. Of course, as of now, I don't have any user. Assume if I have a Bhaskar user, assume. Later I will create that user also, no problem. As of now, I don't have any users except root and EC2 user. Assume if we have a Bhaskar user. What is the Bhaskar user home directory means? We have to tell like /home /Bhaskar. Why? Because that Bhaskar is a non-root user. Only root user is root only. Remaining all are non-root users. Okay, for root user, the home directory is /root. For non-root users means other than root. What is the home directory for them means /home followed by that username. Okay, right now I am which user? Root user. Okay, now let me clear the terminal. Right now I am in this location. Right now I am /opt. I want to go to /root means normally I can use cd /root. That is not mandatory to use. Directly I can use cd command. That's it. If you use cd command, then you can change to your home directory. That's it. Now let me use that one. CD, simple CD I mean, that's it. I'm not using cd /root. I'm not using this one. It is also a valid command only, but I'm not using this one. Simply cd, hit enter, that's it. Now where I'm at, you can see /root. Earlier I was there on /opt. I have a simple command cd, then I switch it to /root. That's it. Okay, cd command is used to go to your user's home. Root user home is /root. That's why I went there. That's it. Of course, not only cd command, there is a similar command. Of course, instead of cd, I can use cd. This symbol. This is called tilde symbol. Tilde. Have you seen this symbol keyboard? Of course, in your keyboard. Of course, I don't know whether you are using a mobile phone or laptop for attending classes. So my strong recommendation is, I strongly recommend you try to attend the classes through your laptop, not by your mobile. Why? Because in mobile, the screen is not that much good, right? So you cannot visible. It may not be that much visible. So my sincere suggestion is, I will strongly recommend to attend the classes by using your laptop. Of course, for some reason, if you are traveling somewhere else, in that case only you try to use mobile. Otherwise, daily you try to attend for the classes via your laptop. Okay, anyhow, in your laptop, you can see in keyboard, what is the left top key? Escape, right? Escape. Under escape symbol, there is a this symbol, tilde symbol. This is called tilde symbol. I can use cd or I can use this symbol, this one, to go to home location. Okay, right now I am at home only. First of all, let me go to somewhere else and I can get back to home. Let me go somewhere else. How to go somewhere else means let me go like this. Mm, right now I am somewhere else. Of course, CD space something means I can go there directly. Right now, where I am at in this location, something like where LIB. I am at where LIB now. Even though you're at any location, if you want to go to home, sorry, if you want to go to home location, what you have to do? You can use CD command or CD till symbol. Earlier I have used this one. Now let me use this one. Both will work in a similar way only. Now let me use CD till symbol. Now also I can go to root user's home like a slash root only. Now you can see. I went there, right? Earlier, I was in this location, in this path. I have used CD till symbol. I am able to go to my root user's home location. That's it. Slash root is root user's home, right? That's why I went there. Of course, not only this one. Let me show you. Now I am a UC user, right? Now I'm UC user. Right now I'm UC user only. You can see this is the UC user home, right? Of course, if you are seeing this symbol here, that means I am in the this user home only. Okay. Let me go to OPT or something else. Let me go to something like I will go to somewhere else also. Okay. Whatever I had done, you keep it aside. Now where I'm at means in this location. Now I'm in this user bin. Now if you use the CD or a CD till symbol, where can I go? If you use CD or CD till symbol, where can I go? Where can I go?
ECT user. ECT
You
user,
have
sir.
you have tell me exactly. What is UCT user home? Of course,
It
the
will go
command
slash,
CD. Yes,
sorry, slash
yes,
home EC2 user.
yes, exactly. It is already told, right? For root user, this is the home. For other users, this is like this home for that username. That's it. Definitely, I can go there also. See, simply have CD or CD whatever this one or CD or CD till whatever same command only. Now I'm able to go there. You see, that's it. Okay, I got no file now. Okay, this command is there now. CD or CD till symbol. Now in CD there are so many variations are there. Now let me tell you one more command. One more variation of CD command. CD dot dot. What this will do? CD dot dot. Of course, right now I am in ECT user home only. That means I am at home ECT user. I want to go one level up. I want to go one level up. That means right now I am at two levels. Slash home is one level. Slash is I am at two levels in the entire directory structure. I want to go one level back or I want to up, one level up. Of course, already you know, right? Linux file system follows tree structure. Tree means hierarchical one, level by level. Right now, I want to go one level back or one level up, whatever. I can use this command cd dot dot cd space dot dot cd space dot dot. If you use this command, you can go one level back. You can go one level back. Now I am at this location. If you cd dot dot, what will happen? If you cd dot dot, where can we go? One level back means I am at home ECT user. Now, if you use this command, simply I can go to slash home. That's it. That means this will skip. That's it. It will skip one level. That means so ECT will skip the. Now I can go to slash home. That's it. Now you can see also. Right where I am at means in slash home only. Why slash homes? Earlier, I was slash home ECT user. I have a CD dot dot. Space is there. Don't forget space. If you see dot dot command, I can go one level back. It is true, right? That means this level is skipped. That's it. One level skipped. Of course, if you cd dot dot for 2 times, what will happen? Like this. Cd dot dot slash dot dot. One level, 2 levels. I can go 2 levels back or 2 levels up. If you use cd dot dot 1 level, dot dot 2 levels, dot dot 3 levels, dot dot 4 levels, based on the how many times you are giving dot dot, it will go up those many number of times. That's it. Let me show you that one. That one. Let me. Okay, to demonstrate that one, let me show you something. First of all, let me check. Right now, I want to go to somewhere else. So because okay. That's not directory. Okay, let me go. Okay, now I will go there. Now I am in this location. Only to demonstrate about CD data, I went there. There is no purpose. Just I went there. Now I am at which location? Slash where? Slash lib slash nfs. Now if you use cd dot dot, of course I'm not using, just I'm telling. If you use this one, what? Where can I go? Right now I'm in this location. If you cd dot dot, what will happen is I can go to where alive one, right? Where alive only. You know that one, right? Now if you use this c dot dot followed by one more dot dot, where can I go now? It will skip 2 levels, right? It will skip 2 levels. That means this 2 will skip. I can go to slash where only. That's it. Let me confirm. It's correct. Correct one, right? It's correct one. That's it. You have 3 level. Of course, let me use one more level. C dot dot. What will happen now? What will happen now? I can go to only simple root, simple slash command. That is also there. You can see. Earlier I was in where. Now that is also skip root. That's it. Is clear this command? cd dot dot. So many times. If based on the requirement, you can use it multiple times also. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, no problem. Okay. Now this is one more way. cd dot dot, like that you have seen. Of course, you can use specific path, right? Right now what I have done. Right now what I have done. I want to go this location. Right now I am in this slash only. I want to go somewhere else, means definitely have to exact path cd. Something like where, something like lib, something like nfs. I went there. I have given this path, so I went there. That's it. If you give a specific path, full path, I can go there. This is called cd followed by some path. cd followed by some path. This is called path. This is path. Example. For this one, let's get example also. Example like this, like cd, something like where, something like lib, something like nfs. I can go there. This is the path. This is called path. Or location. Not location or path, whatever. Okay. Why I'm telling all these things means I have to compare this copy command and link command. So meanwhile, I will go to somewhere else. How to go? Just I am telling. cd command. Of course, ll also already, ll, right? Ll command or ls-l. If you use ls command, what will happen? It ls or l, whatever ls command, what will happen? It will show you files and directories in the current location only. ls is a command used to list files and directories in the current location only. I don't want to see what are there in the current location. I want to see files and directories in some other location. Some other location means I have to specify that location. Right now I am at which location? Where LIB NF location. If you want to see what are there in this location, simply can I use LL command. It is displaying what is there under this location, right? Of course, I am in this location only. I don't want to change any location. You can see now I'm not changing any location. Still I am there only. I am in this location. Now I want to see what is there in slash home. That means I have to like this ll/home, ll/home. That's it. If you use this one, I am not going there. Simply I am getting what is there in that location. That's it. Now you can see ll means in the current location what is there. Ll something is in this location what are there. That's it. I am not switching to that location. I am not going to the location. Just I am getting what is there. That's it. Okay. Anyhow, I want to go to root user now. How to go root user? Sudo su. Okay. Now we will see. Okay. You know this command, right? cd command. Now already you know copy command. Let me tell you one more time about copy. So copy command is cp followed by all existing file path. Source means existing file path. Space target file path. So right now I am having this Monday file in this location. In this location is where I am at. In slash root all I am having that file. Now I want to copy this file some other location. Some other location means I want to copy to OPT only. Right now under OPT I don't have anything. You can see. Right now in OPT I don't have anything. In this location I am having Monday file. Now I will try to copy this Monday file from our current location to slash OPT. What is the command I have to use? Copy. Which file? Monday. It is there here only. That's why I am getting here. Okay. Of course, don't type something. So if you just press just type M, then hit tab command. Tab in your laptop. There is a tab, right? Tab key is there, right? If you hit tab, I can get the remaining. Of course, not only this one. Of course, if you want to type this one means I only type this one. It just type O only. Hit tab. I'm able to get a remaining portion. Okay, same thing. Let me type with Anaconda chaos. I want type. Just I have type A only. Tab. That's it. Of course, if you have two or more with the starting J, in the time at least you have type two or more letters. That's it. Okay, anyhow. Now my requirement is I want to copy Monday file. It is here only. Now I want to copy this to OPT. How to copy to OPT means this is the OPT. That's it. Now can I see under OPT this one? Yes. You can see in OPT also it is there. Earlier in OPT that file is not there. Now I am seeing this one. Why means I have copied this Monday file from our current location to this OPT. So I am getting that one. That's it. Now this Monday file is the two locations. Where? Under root user home, which is slash root, and one more is slash OPT. Okay, I have copied, right? Now let me see. You know LL command, right? Now I am using one next. you know LL command, right? I am using one extra option called I. If you use LL command, I am getting this one only up. Now you can see one more extra thing I am getting, right? You try to compare same thing only, but one extra number I am getting. What is this? This is called inode number. This is called, of course, that's what I have this inode numbers. For each and every file or for each and every directory, I can have one inode table in the Linux file system. Why it is being used? What is the purpose of this one? Of course, we'll come to that point after some time. Now in this location, Monday file is there. What is the? I will tell you what is the inode number. As of now, try to observe. What is the inode number of this Monday? This current location means this one. Now let me see what is the inode number of that Monday file in the OPT folder. I have copied there, right? I have copied there also. How to see that one? LL -I in this location OPT. You can see. This is Monday file in our current location called /root. This is same file in another location called /opt. Try to see. Of course, these are same. Whatever I am having here, I can see same thing. But this date, the date means this time, right? I have copied to here. That's why this is 12:39. 12:39 according to my system time. This is 1/4. I have copied from here to there. That's why I'm seeing that is different. Now you can see this one. inode number of Monday file. This is inode number of Monday file. They are different, right? If you copy a file from location to location, its inode number will differ. That's what I am trying to say. Inode number is different. Now I will tell you what is inode number. Why this inode number is being used? This is very important question. They will ask what inode will contain. Inode will contain everything except file name. This inode, this of course, inode number is a data structure. Inode is a data structure. This number is called inode number. This number is called inode number. What is inode number? Inode number is a data structure. You know data structure, right? Of course, if you are from any like engineering background, definitely you can know what is data structure. Of course, especially if you are from computer background, definitely you know. Data structure is a one of the way by using which I can maintain and I can store data in the computer's memory. That's it. Data structure is a one of the method by using which we can store data. Already you know data structure like stack, queue, linked list, trees, graphs, okay, sets. Those things, if you are aware of course, no need of them. Just mention those name. That's it. Okay, inode number is a data structure maintained by Linux file system. To store what? It will store everything about the file except file name. It will store permissions of a file. It will store number of links. It will store owner, group, when they have created, what is the size of the file. To maintain everything except this name. Except this name. Why? Because you know, computer system, normally any computer cannot understand what is Monday. So because system can understand only by this, right? System cannot understand Very high level language. Monday is very high level language. High level means Monday is high level language. Whatever the English sentence you are in, there is high level language only for the computer system. You can understand only machine language or binary language, whatever. Okay. Then definitely what is Monday, the system cannot know. Then how it will store me? With the help of data structure called line number only. From our point of course, for other purpose only this Monday. But for computer purpose, this inode number can be used. Once I read, this is very important interview. What inode number contain? What inode number does not contain? Inode number contains everything about a file except the file name. Okay. Now we will see actual link command now. Link. Hard link and soft link, right? First of all, let me see about hard link. What is the command for hard link? Command is link on link, ln link. Command is simple ln. For which file I want to provide link, where I have to provide link, that's it. Those two are the arguments I can use for ls command. Okay. Same thing what I want to do. Okay. Let me clear this now. So what happened? Session timed out. Already told, right? If you keep ideally for some time the system, it will be session timed out. That's why it is not responding for me. Okay. Now what I have to do? Of course, don't continue from here. Right now, is it your system or the TWS mission? This is your laptop only it is. Don't try to execute commands here. Of course, some commands work here, no doubt at all. But don't try to execute commands here. So because all commands may not work, of course, right now you can see ls command. It is working fine. It is working fine. But this is my system, this is my computer class, this is my laptop, right? Download means my laptop only it is. In my downloads, I am having these many things. Okay. Clear command also working fine. Only simple commands work here. Okay, so don't try to execute commands here. Of course, if you are okay with this one, you can execute, no problem. Now let me connect to server one more time. My session time, that's why I'm back one more time. Now I have connected, right? Of course, you can see something like this. Then only you are in server. Okay, anyhow, I am in server. Let me try to switch to root user. Sudo su sudo su switch user. Su means switch user. That's it. Now I'm a root user. In this location, I'm having these files. Now let me copy. Already I copied, right? I have copied this Monday file from here to /opt. That time we found some details about that one also by using I have video. I know numbers. Now I want to create hard link. Hard link command ln. Hard link is ln only. For soft link also command ln only, but I have to do an extra function -s, that is different. We will see later. Hard link I am creating ln. For which file? Monday file. Where I want to create means let me create somewhere else in the /var, wherever. As of now, I want to create a /var. What I am doing now, I am trying to create hard link for Monday in this location /var. It has created. Now let me see what is there in /var and what is there in this location. With inode numbers I am displaying ll-i. This is the Monday file. This is the original file actually. I have created this actually, that is the inode number. Just now I have created a hard link for this one, right? Which command I have used? Then this command I have used something like ln, something like Monday. Example I'm saying. This is the command I have used there, right? This is the command I have used there. And that location Monday file is there. I have created a hard link for this location. So now under slash var, the definitely I can see this Monday file with some hard link that I can see. Where I have created a hard link slash var, right? You can see. Can I see this Monday here? Of course, these are also default files. Don't consider them. This is what I require. This is what I required actually. This hard link. You have to understand what I am trying to tell you here. Now you can see. If you remember earlier, what is the number here? Earlier, 1, right? Now it became 2. Why? Because I created one more link, right? Link. That's why this became number 2. Earlier it was like 1 only. If you observe this one, definitely it will be 1 only. If you observe, now it became 2 because I have created this soft link like this. By this command will have created soft link. This command I have used. Now that count became 2. Okay. Number of links are 2 now. This one, this one. Now you can see. Of course, if we copy, what will happen? Already I told time graph, right? This is 12:29, 12:39. This is also 12:39, right? You can see same thing. You can see this inode number. For Monday, original file, what is the inode number? Something like 5. No need to remember this one. 5426594. What about inode number of this one? Same thing, right? You can see this one and this one. Both are same, right? If we create a hard link, nothing will change. You can see whatever is there in this line. I can say same thing here. Inode number is same. And compare. Permissions also same. Number of links I am seeing 2. Root user, root group. 70 is the size. You can size also 70, 70. March 10. Time is of course 0. It is 12:39 only. 12:39 AM. That's time actually. Same thing, right? This is the hard linkly created file. I have copied it in OPT. Let me see that one also for your understanding purpose. LL OPT. This is also Monday file only. But how I got this one? I have copied from here to there. This is the original file. This is the copied file. This is the hard linkly created file. I forgot to use this inode number. Let me use inode number also. Okay. Okay, I will display everything because I want to fit in screen and that thing. Okay, let me display what is the original file. Now I am displaying. Now what is there under copied file? Where it is under OPT, right? Copied file. I have displayed this one. Now I have created soft link also. Let me create soft link created file. Where it is created where, right? Under where I have created. Now we try to compare. Now you can see. I am seeing it, right? Monday. Same file only. Now you can see this is the original file. Time creation is 0039. This is the hard link created file. Same thing I am seeing. What about this one, Monday? That means this is inode number also differs. If you copy, inode number will differ. If you create a hard link, inode number cannot differ. That's what I am trying to say. If you create a hard link, everything is same. Everything is same. Everything is same, including that INO number also, that time also. But whenever if you create a copy, this is the latest time, of course. File creation time it is. That's it. I got my point. Of course, if required, let me create one more also, one more hard link also. Let me create ls-i. This is the original file. Let me create a hard link for this one in one more location. How to create hard link? Command is ln. For which file means Monday file, where this time let me use under something like USR. I have created. Now, which number I can see here? 3. Because I have almost something, right? Let me see. Let me confirm. LLI for LI. You can see now earlier it was 3, now it is 3. I have created one more link, that's why I'm saying 3. Okay. Where I have created soft link in the user, right? Let me show what is the user. LL-I I have using under USR. This one. This is also same thing, right? You can see I know number same, permission is also same. What entire thing only I cannot tell you one by one. Everything is same only, including time and I know number also. That is the hard link. Now let me discuss about soft link. Soft link is same, but I have to use one option called S. ln only, command is ln only. -s, soft link, that's it. ln means hard link only, but it is a hard link. By default, it is a hard link. Soft link has specified something like this. That's it. File name, where location, that's it. Okay. To demonstrate this one, let me create one more file because I don't want to disturb this Monday file. Because you get confused, right? Now let me create one more file here and I will create soft link for this one. Right now I have Monday file. Let me create one file called Sunday. Whatever you can. Cat Sunday. I'm typing something this one. Okay. Anyhow, I have created something. What is there? You don't want to bother about. LLI for LI. LI, no problem. Now you can see for Sunday, I am seeing like this. INO number, something like. Of course, this is separate file, right? Definitely, I can see different INO number. That is different. Now don't compare anything with this one right now. Now I want to use. I want to get soft link for this one. How to get soft link? I will tell you now. What is the command to soft link with ls only? Sorry, ln. -s soft link. For which file? For Sunday file. Where? Let me row PD only. I have created soft link. Let me try to compare them. I have cleared the signal because I want to see everything in the screen only. That's why. LLI. For Sunday, right? For Sunday, I have created soft link. For soft link, I cannot get count. Okay. Now, where I have created soft link means a row PD, right? Let me see what is in row PD. LL-I in OPT. How you can see. Of course, this Monday is a hard link file, this is soft link file. For soft link, I can something like this. This is the file I have created. From where? From where means from there. From there. For soft link, I can see like this. Now we can see. Now we try to compare this one, right? Of course, from Sunday only I have created this one, right? Now we can see. Try to compare. What is the INO number of Sunday file, original file? something like this one. What is this one? Change, right? Change it. For hard link, everything is same. For soft link, everything means you can see for Sunday file, there and here, there are different inode numbers, right? Inode numbers will be, or permissions, you can see permissions. In the original file, there are permissions. You can see here. Of course, you can see something else. L. Starting L is there. Of course, as of now, we know two things only. Starting, I can see either hyphen or D. If it's hyphen, I can say it is a file. D, it is a directory. That one, you know, right? Now I am seeing L. L means link, soft link. It is a soft link file. That's what you have to understand like that. Okay. You can see I got full permissions also. I have not changed permission, but I got full permissions. If you create soft link on any file, in that location, it can be created with full permissions. Of course, for soft link, this count cannot be changed. This is not. Now you can see what is size of the Sunday file? 62 bytes. Now you can see 6 bytes only. You can say time also changed. Right? Time also 122 is 123. Time also changed. Now you have to understand difference between hard link and soft link. If you do a hard link, for this one I have done hard link, right? For this Monday file I have done hard link. For Sunday file I have done soft link. Both are here only. You can able to understand now. Now I am saying about hard link. If you create a hard link, everything is same, including inode number and the time of creation also same. Size also same. What is the original file of Monday means 70 bytes. These are 70 bytes one. Everything is same. I cannot tell what is there. Everything is same. Whatever is there in this line, same thing I am seeing in this line also. That is the hard link. What about soft link? Forget soft link. Inode number will change. You can see for Sunday, inode number is changed. Permissions also changed. Size also reduced. Time also changed. That's it. That is what observations you have to know. Okay. Of course, in enter they will ask the difference between soft link and hard link. You have to tell like this. If you create a hard link, it will create a file with the same inode number, same permissions, same size, same time. But if you create a soft link, it will create a file with the different inode number, full permissions, reduced file size, time also will change. That's it. Okay. Now you know, right? Now you know everything about this. Oh yeah. Second time, one more time. I think I might not have much time. Okay, that's why, of course, if you want to keep ideal your system for some time, try to stop command there so that there could not be any session timed out. Of course, that is simple only. If you get out of no problem, right? Copy and paste only. Only one command, copy, paste only. Only 2 clicks only. Okay, don't bother about it. It's very simple only. Copy paste only. Okay. Sudo su hyphen. You know everything, right? In this one, you know permissions, you know number of links, you know user, you know group, you know size, date and time of creation, file name, or directory, whatever. You know all the things. Now this is over. Okay. Now I will switch to one more topic. I want to create some users. Right now I have only 2 users, right? Now our purpose is user management, user and group management. GROUP, right? Now we will see about how to create users, how to create group, and how to add users to the group. Those things we will see now. Right now, I have only two users, root user and EC2 user. Why I have only those two users and why means in any Linux mission, any Linux mission, not only Red Hat, not only Debian, not only Ubuntu or SUSE, whatever the Linux flavor, definitely I can have root user as an admin user or super user. The user is root or root. That person is a admin user or super user. I can super user. You know that, right? Definitely I can have root user in any Linux flavor. Then how I got this EC2 user? I have taken Red Hat mission, right? RHL mission. I have taken RHL means Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Only in this particular mission I can see this EC2 user. Of course, if you create something like Ubuntu, if you install Ubuntu like flavor of OS, in that I use Ubuntu only. The username is Ubuntu only. Where if you take Ubuntu kind of Linux flavor, in that case you also Ubuntu. Likewise, it will differ. Yeah, right now it is there, it's not there, right? I have not launched any Ubuntu machine, so I cannot see this one. Root and EC2 user is there. What is the root to user home directory? /root only. What is the EC2 user home directory? This one. Root user, non-root user. Of course, I can have three users actually. Three kinds of users: root user, non-root user, system users. We will see the system later. As of now, I can say two users only. Root user, non-root user. Root user is there. Non-root user called EC2 user is there. Now, other than this, I want to create some users. That is what our concept now. Of course, already groups are there. Right? What are the groups I am having? Root group is there. EC2 group is there. One more called wheel. Actually, you can see, right? Wheel group also is there. Now, I want to create separate users, separate groups, and I want to add our new groups, new users to the new groups. Those things I will do now. Okay. If you create any other user also, there also comes under non-root user only. Then where I can see, of course, if you create any user, for that new user, I can see one entry in the /home. I can have one entry for each and every non-root user in /home. Let me show you. Let me show you what is there in /home. How to see what is there in /home? LL/home. As of now, I am seeing only EC2 user. That means as of now, this person is the only non-root user available in the entire Linux file system. Now I want to create some users. How to create user? The command is very simple only. User add is the command. Okay, I want to add some users. How to create user? I am adding, right? Add user. Command is add user only. Followed by username. Followed by username. This simple command. Of course, for this person, I have to assign some. I have set some password, right? Without your password, there is no use of username, right? Of course, if you want to log in somewhere, so I need two things: username, password. That password also I can set. For that, what is the command means? PASSWD. This is the command for the username. For this user, this is the how to create a user. For the created user, this is the how to set password. Password means this spelling PSWD, not PSWORD. Command is PASSWD only. That's it. Okay. After setting password, of course, normally for any user, there will be some expiry date on that user password. Normally, if you are working in IT field, of course, normally for 75 days or 90 days, you will get a notification like you have to reset password. Not only for this one, normally if you are using some online banking, some net banking, there also, of course, that time period I cannot guarantee. For some, I can say like 3 months. For every 3 months, you have to reset your password, right? Your online bank, net banking password. They will send notification within 1 week. Your password will expire, so try to change it. If you change, it will reflect. Otherwise, on next day, you'll get a warning. Only 6 days left. If you don't change next day, your password expires in 5 days only. Like they will send some notifications, warning message, right? Same thing that I can do here also. For that one, I have to change the command to set the expiry date of the password for the user. Change it. Follow username. So those things you will see now. Okay. Right now I am seeing only UCT user. Now let me create one user. How to create user? Command is simple, user add one. User add. Let me create one user called Bhaskar user. I am creating my name only. Created. Can I see one entry in the home? Definitely I have to see one entry. Let me confirm. See, earlier under slash home I can see only UCT user. Now I am seeing this one also. We means just now told, right? If you create any user, one entry or one directory for the table will be added in the slash home. That's why it is there. Okay. Now I want set password for this one. This is the command used to create a file. Sorry, used to create a user. Now for this user called Bhaskar, I want set password. How to set a password? Command is PASSWD. It is not PASSWORD. It is not correct. Command is PASSWD only. Password. For which user? Bhaskar user. I am setting password. I am not entering any password. I am setting password. You can see it is asking to set one password. Something I am giving. BHASKAR @123 I am giving. Confirmation is asking. Confirmation is asking. BHASKAR @123. You can see. Successful updated. Now I have created one user. Let me I want to note down because I want to use them later. That's why. Bhaskar is the username. Password I have set is something like Bhaskar @123. Okay. For this same user, I want to set expiry date on that password. Of course, this is the password. Definitely, after some days, the password has to expire. Of course, if you set like that, it will expire. Otherwise, it won't expire. That is all different. I can set something after 30 days, or after 60 days, or after 90 days, whatever the option. Based on the tone only, that password will expire. Of course, before expire the password, before 1 week or before 5 days or before 10 days, whatever, I want to send alert also, that warning message. For that one, I can do this command, change command, right? Let me change command also. Change command. Change command for which user is Bhaskar user. It is asking. You can see changing the aging information for Bhaskar. Enter the new value or press enter or enter for the default value. If you want to type something else, you can type. Otherwise, hit enter only to take default value. You can see minimum password is 0. Minimum password is 0 means minimum at least work for 0 days, or you can use 1 day, whatever. Hit enter only. You can see maximum password age means you can see 99,999 days. This is less than one number. This is less than this is 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh less than one number. This is minus one of 1 lakh. 1 lakh days. Of course, I cannot 99,900 days. 1 lakh days. By default, they are seeing something like 1 lakh days. Your password won't expire. 1 lakh days means how many years? I cannot count. I need not to count also. Okay. Of course, normally they won't set like this. I can say something like 90 days. Okay. Absolutely like 90 days. That means it's 3 months. The password for this basket will expire. Password of this user will expire. And give 90 days. After you give 30 days also no problem. 30 days or 60 days or 75 days, whatever. As of now, 3 months I'm giving. Now you can see last password changed today, right? Today one, right? Today date it is. Hit enter only. Now you can see password expiration warning. I told, right? Of course, by default they will send a notification before expiring 7 days. If you are okay, hit enter. Otherwise, for the last 5 days only, I want to get a notification. In that case, I have typed 5. I am okay with 7, so hit enter. Okay. Password inactive. Password inactive. I don't want to. Inactive means the password won't work for this many number of days. -1 means not valid number. Right? That means the password now itself it will activate. Of course, if you give 2, what will happen here? Can you understand what is the 2 here? Of course, I don't want to change 2. If you give 2, what will happen? Can anybody help me? If you give 2, what will happen? I don't understand what is there. So yes, tell me, Vijay. You are trying to say something.
After 2 days, it will not work.
No. After 2 days only it will active. Okay. Now I don't want to run. Immediately I want to act. Now you can see account expiration date. Account expiry. Account expiry means normally I have not set right? Because of course, who knows? Of course, today I will join with company. I can continue for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, or 5 years, or 10 years also, right? That's why nobody is going to set the account expiration normally. Okay. Enter. That's it. Of course, I have given only this one number. That means you try to understand what is there here. After from now onwards, my password age is 90 days. Definitely after 90 days, my password expires. After 83 days, that means before expiring 1 week, I will get alert. On 84th day, I am saying, I will get alert like, hey Bhaskar, your password expires in 7 days, so try to reset your password. If I ignore that one, on next day also, hey Bhaskar, your password expires in 6 days, try to reset password. Like that, they will give warning. That's what I am saying. Okay. Now I have created one user, right? With all these things. Now let's create one more also. I want to create one more user called Prasad user. For this person, I want to set password like Prasad@123 also. Okay. How to create user? Command user add, right? User add. User name is Prasad. You can give any name, no problem. I have created. I can see that entry in the slash home, right? Let me confirm that one also. LL/home. You can see. At the very beginning, I am seeing only EC user. Now, Bhaskar and Prasad added here. Okay. As of now, I have not set password for this one, right? Let me set password for this Prasad user. PASSWD or Prasad user. It is asking to set password. I am giving PRASAD @123. Of course, you can see they are suggesting bad password. I am okay. The password contains the username only. That's why they are giving some bad password. It's a bad password, right? You know, strong passwords. Okay, I don't want to give the preference. That's why. If you do something else, I cannot remember. That's why. The simple types I am giving. Of course, this is a bad password only. Why? Because in the password includes my username. That's why. Of course, I don't want to bother about it. What it is? It is accepting in final. That's it. PRASAD that one. You can successful update, right? Now for this user also, I want to set password expiry date. Command chase, right? Command is chase for Prasad user. For this user, okay, let me take. Of course, companies follow normal standards like 90 days or 70 days. Created. I have 2 users now. I have 2 users. Let me create 2 more also. Of course, for this I don't want to set password because okay, let me set some password also. I want to create 2 more users like John and Ram. For this user, let me set password like John@123. For this okay, Ram user, let me set like this. I will do like this. How to use user add command user add. Username is John. Password for John user. I'm setting JOHN@123. JOHN@123. Successfully updated. Of course, this is not mandatory as of now to set to password expiry. Let me use no problem. CHAGE for John user. I have done this one also. Similarly, let me create one more user also because I want to add to group this way. Group add, sorry, user add. User name I want to create is Ram. For this person, I want to set password. Command is password PSWD. For which user is Ram user. It is asking password to set password. RAM @1 I am giving. Of course, the password is shorter than 8 characters. Definitely, minimum 8 should be there. You have test taken, no problem. Okay. Now I have done all these things. Chase for RAM user. I have done everything. Now I can see total 5 entries in the home directory. Total 5 entries, including each user. Total I am having 5 users. Okay. Now I have created some users. What are their IDs? If you create any user, for them, I can get some ID, right? ID. How it is the ID of any user? The command is ID only. ID space username. Let me show you. ID space. What is the first I created? Bhaskar, right? Because ID Bhaskar. User ID of this Bhaskar is 1001. Why 1001? Why it is fixed 1001? That also I will tell you. Of course, one more point here is if you create any user with that same username, by default you create the group name also. This is also very important to remember. If you create any user with any name with the same username only, it will create group also. Of course, you can see here. You can see here, Ram. Owner is Ram. Group, you can see group also, right? Group. Prasad, John, University is Bhaskar. I got the point. If you create any user with any name, with the same name, it will be a group also. Group. Okay, anyhow, I don't want to. That's why you can see. ID Bhaskar means it will show you Bhaskar user ID. As of now, Bhaskar belongs to which group? You can see group ID 1001. Bhaskar belongs to groups, means only Bhaskar group as of now. That's it. As of now, this Bhaskar belongs to Bhaskar group only. Am I correct? I don't like same group names and same users. I want to add this Bhaskar to some other group. Of course, first of all, we will see what is 1001. Why 1001? Why not something else? Right now, I have installed Red Hat version 8 point something. Right now, we have installed Linux with the version 8 point something. Red Hat version 8 point something. So from 7 point something onwards, from Red Hat version 7 point something onwards, 7.2, 7.3, something like 8 point whatever. The first user ID is 1000. The first ID is 1000. Who is the first user? EC2 user. Of course, we have not there, but this is the first user, right? Let me show you what is the user of EC2 user. ID EC2 icon user. Definitely, I can say 1000 here. You can 1000. This is also important one. What is the first custom user ID means 1001. Custom user means I have created this one. I have not created separate user, right? I may created no, but it has created. Why? Because I have taken Red Hat mission, so it has a EC2 user. Thousand. Of course, in the old versions of Linux, like 5.3 version or 2. Of course, whatever the version before 7, I am saying. Before Linux version 7, it was starting from 500 onwards, 500, 501, 500 like that. Now 1000, 1001, 1002 like that. So for definitely, whether a Bhaskar is 1001, for Prasad I get 1002, for John I get 1003, 1004 only. Let me confirm something. Let me try to get idea of Prasad user. Here, yes, ready. Definitely what I can see, 1002 only. Was it right? What about John user? Definitely 1003 only. We're going to get a sequence 1003. What is the idea of ROM user? Definitely 1004 only. Likewise. If you create one more user, definitely I will get it like 1005 only. That's it. Of course, now if you create a group also, for the group I can say 1005 later. If you create a group now, not only user or group, whatever if you create, I can get next number, next ID, next number as the ID for that one. Okay. Now I want to create a group. As of now I have created users. Now I want to create my custom groups. Later I will add some users to some groups. That is what I want to do for now. Okay. How to create a group? User means user, add user. Similarly, there is a command called group add. User add user, group add user. Of course, add user also will work. Let me confirm. I think I have user add, right? Which command I have earlier? Of course, let me show you command history. If you type history, then it will show you what are the commands I have included so far in session. You can see. I have user add command. I have user add command only. User add. User add. user add extra command will display. You can see right in this session. I am saying this session only. Of course, today I will do so many commands. At middle I have 2 times I have session time driver close, session time driver right. In this session only, in the latest session only, here the commands I have included. That's it. Okay. Anyhow, CLA. Okay. Now I want to create groups. What is the command to add user means user add. Similarly, if you want to add a group add command. Command is group add. Now let me. Command is simple. Group add. Like user, there is a command called group add. Like user add, there is a command called group add. Group name. Let me use group name. Let me use something like group one. Devops group. The group name Devops group. I want to create a normal group also. Group add group add testing group or whatever testers group. Testers Devops testers. I want to get 2 groups now. So as of now, what is the RAM user ID 1004, right? Now for this group, I can get 1005. That also I will show you. Command is group add, right? Group add group name. I want the DevOps group. You can create any group name, no problem. This is the name only. That's it. Not all DevOps can create something like Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Hyderabad, Bangalore, whatever the name it is. Something. I have created a group. Let me create one more group also, like testers group. TESTERS, 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 whatever. Spelling also no problem. I have created 2 groups. Now, of course, now where you can see. Now, of course, if I this let me see. ID of DevOps. It won't work. It won't work. Of course, if this is you can see now what is the error. DevOps no such user. That means only for user I can know what is that user ID. But for groups, of course, definitely for DevOps group the ID is 1005 only, no doubt at all. But where I can see the information. Definitely for DevOps group the ID is 1005. For tester the ID is 1005 only. Why? Because you know that one, right? Already EC user ID 1000, Bhaskar 1001, Prasad 1002, John 1003, Ram 1004. That's why for DevOps 1005, testers 1006. Where you get that one? Of course, this command won't work. ID space group name it won't work. ID command I can use only for users. Then how to see what is the group ID of DevOps? Okay, for that purpose, okay, you know /etc, right? etc means something like configuration files actually. In any Linux file system, I can see default folder called /etc. Under this there is a file called group. Group. This is the file name. In this file only, I can see everything about groups and users IDs. Let me show you. I want to display file content of cat command I am using. Where it is means under etc only. The file name is group. Group, right? Now you can see. You can see now. I am seeing like this. You can see. EC to 1000, Bhaskar 1001, Prasad 1002, John 1003, Ram 1004. You can see DevOps. These DevOps and testers are groups, right? I am seeing them. Of course, for root user, what is the ID? I think 0. Let me show you. You can see. Root is the other, right? Of course, this is the very first one. So because while installing itself, this one, see. You can something for bin one. Already bin will be there, right? You can see wheel group. Of course, no need to remember. Just I am explaining, showing the sheet. No need to remember them. Just you have to understand the wheel is there. Wheel group ID is 10. Something like that. Okay. This is the file only. This is the directory. In this, I am having this file. I am displaying what is there in this file by cat command. That's it. Okay. Now I will ask one question. cat/opt. Is it valid command? cat/opt. Then what is the expected output? Now I will first of all I will tell you what is there in opt. Something is opt. Now cat/opt. Is it a valid command? No. You can see. Is directory. I cannot see. Can directory contains any data? No, right? Directory may contain subdirectories and file. That's it. Cat is a command used to display what is there in the file, right? That's why this is not a file. Okay. Don't try to use command like this. Cat directory name if you give, it won't work. Definitely I have to give file or file path. That's it. Okay. Anyhow. Now what I want to do means I want to add some users to the groups. Right now I have two groups, right? DevOps group and testers group. So okay, let me add what I am not the same thing. So for DevOps group, okay, two groups are there, DevOps group and the testers group. Now for this DevOps group, I want to add some members. For testers group also, I want to add some other members. What I want to do means for the DevOps group, let me add Prasad user and Bhaskar user. You can add any user, no problem. But as of now, I am taking this example. Bhaskar and Prasad. I will add these two users to this group. What is the group? Group is a collection of users, right? What is the group is collection of users. As of now, DevOps group does not contain any users. So now I am adding these two members. Okay. So same thing like this testers group, I will add John and Ram. How to add, I will show you. Then how to add. There is simple command for this one. The command is user mod. USRMOD. User mod. User modification actually. The full user modification it is. The command is USRMOD. MOD, not MODE. User modification. That means I want to add one user to one group. Not one user, any user to any group. By user mod I can do it. User modification. For which group I want to add? -G means group. What is the group name? Here I have mentioned group name only. Group name. GROUP name. Group name I have to give. Followed by username. This syntax used to add one user to one group. That means for this group, I am adding this one person. That's it. This syntax user mod -G group name space username. Now with this command, I want to add Bhaskar and Prasad to the DevOps group and Jan and Ram to tester group. Now I will do that one. What is the command? User mod -G group name. What is the group name? DevOps group. Let me add Bhaskar for this one. Bhaskar. I have done it. Similarly, let me add Prasad user also to the same group. Prasad. I have done it. Now, for testers group, let me add John and Ram, right? I have added Ram. Let me add John also. Okay, I have done whatever I want to. I have done all these things, right? I have done right. Bhaskar and Prasad user I have added to DevOps group. John and Ram I have added to testers group now. Earlier, I have used something like ID command and Bhaskar user. That time what I have seen, Bhaskar user ID, Bhaskar belongs to which group, those things I have seen. Now let me see. ID of Bhaskar. Now you can see. ID of Bhaskar means Bhaskar user ID. It is right now. It is in which group? Earlier what I am seeing here. Can anybody remember? Here earlier I am seeing like 1000 on Bhaskar only. That time it was there in Bhaskar user only. That's right. Bhaskar group only earlier. That's it. Okay. Now this Bhaskar belongs to which group means this group. In which group means only DevOps group. Bhaskar as of now. Okay. Similarly, let me show you idea of Ram. You can see this Ram is in testers group. Definitely, I can see all of them. That's it. Now, can I add 1% two groups? Can I add 1% two groups? Let me try to add. Already Bhaskar is there in DevOps group, right? Let me add Bhaskar to testers group also. I'm trying to add. We will see what will happen. Right now, Bhaskar is in testers group. Let me try to add Bhaskar to testers group. Right now, Bhaskar is there in the DevOps group. Now I am trying to add same person called Bhaskar to testers group also. Now you can see ID Bhaskar. What happened there? What happened there? The change in the group. That's it. Earlier Bhaskar was there in DevOps group. Now the person is shifted to test group. That's what meaning. Definitely, a user cannot be in two or more groups. It is automatically changed, right? Automatically it has changed. Earlier Bhaskar user belongs to DevOps group. Now the person shifted to this group. That's it. Okay, I cannot see two or more groups for the user. Okay. If required, you can delete groups. If required, you can delete users also. I don't want that one because okay. Right now, at least I have 5 users, right? Along with I'm saying about non-root users. Totally 5 non-root users. Total 6 users are there. Root user, Bhaskar, Prasad, Ram, and John. Now, how to switch in between them? Right now, I'm which user? Root user. I want to switch to some other user. How to switch? Can I go to Bhaskar user, root user, something else? I can go. How to change? I will tell you now. I can switch from user to user.
SU minus username.
Hello.
I think SU minus username. Then it will switch to that user.
Okay. Yes. The command is same thing like SU hyphen username only. But sometimes it will ask password, sometimes it won't ask password. That I will tell you. If you want to change from user to user, definitely the command SU only. SU means switch user. SU stands for switch user. SU means switch. Switch user. The full form of this one is switch user. SWITCH, switch user. User. Switching from user to user. Okay. Right now I'm root user. From root to normal user I want to shift. From root, okay, first of all, let me. If I am a root user, from root to normal user, means any user other than root. Root to normal user. If you want to switch from root to normal user, it won't ask any password. Password is not required. Don't ask any password. Password is not required. Password is not required in this case. You don't ask any password. You should switch from root to any other. Of course, from normal to root, I am saying. If you are normal user, if you want to switch to root user, you will see all the possible ways. Earlier, root user to normal user. If you want to switch, it won't ask any password. If you are a normal user, if you want to switch to root user, it definitely does password. Password is required in this one. Password is required. REQUIRE. One more possibility is there. Normal to normal. Normal user means I can have multiple users, right? Normal to normal. Normal to normal means like Bhaskar to Prasad or something like John to Ram, like that. For this also it was password. Password required in this case also. Password required in this case also. Those things you will see. Is there any one more alternative way? One more possible way? No, right? I can have, of course, root to root is the meaning. Oh, no. Root to root means no meaning. It is meaningless only. Root to root. I am root user, then what is the meaning of root to root transfer? It does not make sense, right? Normal to normal order means normal means one Bhaskar user, one more something like other user, EC2 user also, whatever. That's why it is possibility. Now I will see this one. Root to normal. As of now, we will see this one only. Root to normal. Now I am root user, right? I am root user. I want to switch to Bhaskar user. For example, what is the command? su-Bhaskar. Will it ask password? No. You can see. Earlier, I was root user, now I am Bhaskar user, right? You can see username. That's it. This is the way how to switch from root user to normal user. This is the command. su space hyphen space any username, not only Bhaskar. You can give any existing username. Definitely will go to that username. That user. That's it. Of course, you are seeing. Of course, I am not explaining this. Simply, I am hitting something like exit. Sometimes I am using exit command. With exit command, I can go back to previous one. That's it. I can go back to previous one. That's it. Whatever I can go to previous. Right now, I am a Bhaskar user. Exit command I have immediately I want to root user. That's it. Of course, this exit command I am not saying about normal to root user. I am not saying like that. Exit is not a command used to switch from normal to root user. I am not saying like that. That is not correct. I can go back to previous. That's it. Using exit command. Okay. Anyhow, that is not our discussion now. Now I am root user. Still I am root user only. Now let me go back to one more user. Something. How to go one more user? su space hyphen space something like Ram. It is also not asking password. Is it right? Yes. It's working fine. Now it is over. First one is over. Now normal to root. Of course, we'll see this case later because I will see this thing later. Later means I will take this third one. Now normal to normal. Now I am a RAM user. Let me switch to something like John user or Bhaskar or EC2 or whatever. What is the command? SU space hyphen space that username. Let me go to EC2 user whatever. Let me go to EC2 user or Bhaskar or whatever. BHAS or Bhaskar. It is asking password. Which is the password I have to give? Which is the password I have to give?
Bhaskar.
Password. Yes, password I have given. Now I am Bhaskar user. Let me go to John user. How to go to John user? The command is su-John. It is asking password of John user actually. Why? Because I am trying to switch to this one without knowing this user's password. I cannot switch, right? That's why. Now what is John password? John is what, right? JOH and that one. Now I am switching. Now can I switch to EC2 user? EC2 user. It is asking password. I don't know what is password. Do you know? We don't know. Then how can I switch? That is a different case. Well, because I don't know what is EC2 password. Okay, let me give John. It won't work, no doubt at all. John at that what I have given. Definitely I can get bad password. Okay, certificate failed. Then how to see EC2 password? If you want, you can set password for EC2. Can anybody help me how to set a EC2 password? How to set EC2 password? Can I set? Definitely. There is a password command, right?
Password.
By using this command, definitely I can set password for any user. Let me use it now. PASSWD for which user means EC2 user. Will it work or something I have to use?
I think we can change from root.
Yes, that is exactly. You can see. Only root can specify username. Now, can I use sudo here? You know this one, right? Of course, yeah, as root user I can do definitely. Can I use sudo command here?
Yes.
But of course, I can use sudo command, no doubt, but it is asking John password. I know John password, right? This is allowed command only, but it is asking John password. I know JOHN@123. This incident will be reported. John is not in the sudo file. Okay. Of course, there is one problem here. Okay, I will tell this one also, no problem. Actually, this command has to work. Once if you provide password for John user, actually I have given correct password only, but what is showing? John is not in the sudoers file. What is sudoers file? Of course, in sudoers file, I can have only one user called EC2 user by default. I have to add some users so that they can have that feature. How to open sudoers file means simple like this. Of course, yeah, John I cannot do like this. Okay. This is the file name. VA sudo. This is the sudoers file name. VA sudo. Why I'm using sudo one more time means I am not root user, that's why. Okay, anyhow, I am not able to do this one also. As a root user, I can do it. I will do it later, immediately after some time. Okay. As of now, our aim is to switch between users. We are doing data. Right now, I am John user. I am trying to switch to EC2 user. It is asking EC2 user password. As of now, I don't have, so I cannot switch definitely. No doubt at all. Okay. Now it is also working fine, right? It is also working fine. Normal to normal and root to normal. Now let me normal to root. Normal user to root user. I am normal user only. How to switch to root user? What is the command I can use? Means yes, I found root, right? It is asking password. Which password I have to give? Can I use John password? JOHN123. I'll get error. Authentication failed. Root user password I have to give. I don't know password. That's why I cannot switch. Okay. If you know root user password, then only I can switch. Okay, anyhow, I want to exit. If exit, what will happen? I cannot guarantee because okay. If you right now I'm John user, exit command if you use, then what is the previous user? Before John Bhaskar, right? You can see before John username is Bhaskar, right? That's why I got no point. That's why I am checking here. What is the right time John user? Before John, who is the user? John before John. Before John user, the user was Bhaskar, right? That's why I went there. I am seeing Bhaskar. Now you can see Bhaskar. Before Bhaskar, who is the user? Let me confirm that one also. Before Bhaskar, who is the user? Ram, right? If you exit command, I can definitely go to Ram user. It's Ram. Okay. Before Ram, I am not seeing anything here. I think it is root only. Let me see. I gotta confirm that one. I am not seeing there. That's why. Definitely root only. That's it. Okay. This is the way how to switch from user to user. Only from root to any user, you won't ask any password. In other cases, it has password. As a root user, you can go to any user without giving any password because I am a root user. I have all privileges. I can go anywhere. That's why. Okay. Okay. Now I want to show the students file. Here I got one error, right? Students file. Now I will see the students file. I will show you content of students file. The file name is this one only. VA sudo only. VA sudo. VA sudo. Of course, actually this is the location is this one only. The sudo file location is this one. Under etc, there is a file called sudo yes. So sudo yes. Sudo ers. Okay, let me check spelling. I think it is only under etc. This is the file. I can open this file or this file, whatever. Let me open that file only. How to open that file? VI. I am opening VI editor. Otherwise, let me cat out, no problem. Let me cat. Cat, where is the file under etc? What is the file name? Sudo sudo ers. Yes, it is there. This is the file content. If you see, only ECD, you can see ECD user, all, no password. It won't ask any password. Likewise, if you add some others, then only I can able to switch from normal to root. That ability should be there in this one. Of course, as of now, which command I have used to open this file means this command. That means I opened this file. I told one more, right? Let me open this file, VA sudo. This is a file name. There is no space. This is not VA space sudo. It is VA sudo only. There is no space in between. VA, the spelling VA sudo, VA sudo, that's it. Not VA space sudo. Okay. Let me open this file. What will happen? Just hit enter. Let's go journal. Here, CLER, right? Okay. VA sudo. If you hit this one also, from same file, this is same file, right? Now we can add some entries here if required. As of now, I don't want required. I will add the later. In later section, so it is required. Like while installing SonarQube, while installing Nexus. In that time, definitely it requires to add those users. I will add at the point of time. Okay. Right now, I don't want to change. Just I shown you that's it. I don't want save means, of course. How to get out of this one? This VA return. How to get out of this one? Escape colon W, correct? W means save, Q means quit. If you don't want save, quit means I can use Q only. That's it. Q is enough. If you don't want to save, W is not required. That's it. Okay. Is it clear now? How to create users? How to set password for the user? How to set password expiry date of the user? How to create groups and how to add users to the groups and how to switch it in between those things we have seen now. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. Now time is already 7 minutes. I cannot start a separate topic. Okay, anyhow, I want to stop here for today because if you start some other topic, it will take some time. Some other topic is some other just set of comments. Okay. I want to stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll continue with